Get ready for an adorable adventure where teamwork makes the dream work. When trouble strikes in the meadow, a brave little squad of farm, forest, and bird friends must band together to save the day. From speedy squirrels to wise old owls, from playful piglets to clever rabbits, every hero, big or small, has a special role to play. Toddlers will love meeting this lovable team of tiny champions. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, James's, and American flamingo. Flamingos are found in Africa, South America, the Caribbean, the Middle East, and parts of Europe and Asia. Flamingos often stand on one leg to conserve body heat, especially in cooler water. Flamingos come in 6 species, including the greater, lesser, Chilean, Andean, Camels can drink up to 40 gallons, 150 liters, of water in one go, and they can go up to 2 weeks without water. Camels live for about 40 to 50 years, used for transport, milk, meat, wool, and carrying loads. Camel's gestation period is about 13 to 14 months. Gorillas are mostly vegetarians, eating leaves, shoots, fruit, and stems. Occasionally, they may eat insects like ants or termites. Gorillas primarily walk on all fours using their knuckles, a trait they share with chimpanzees. Gorillas live in the tropical forests of Central Africa. Mountain gorillas live in high-altitude cloud forests. Hamsters have expandable cheek pouches that extend all the way to their shoulders, used to store and transport food. Hamsters are the smallest, about 2 inches long, while Syrian hamsters are the largest, up to 7 inches. Hamsters can reproduce very quickly. Gestation is only about 16 to 22 days, and litters can be Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality, royalty, and spirituality in cultures around the world, including Hinduism, Buddhism, and Christianity. Peacocks have a very loud, high-pitched call, especially during the mating season or when alarmed. Peacocks have a long train of iridescent tail feathers, called a train, used for courtship displays. Peacocks are considered symbols of immortality. Elephants eat grasses, leaves, bark, fruit, and roots. Up to 300 pounds, 136 kilograms of food daily. Elephants have excellent memories and can remember water sources, friends, and dangers for years. Elephants live around 60 to 70 years in the wild. Usually, 1 calf is born. Eagles are known for their incredible flying skills and can soar at altitudes over 10,000 feet, 3,000 meters. Eagles have exceptional eyesight, about 4 to 8 times sharper than humans, allowing them to spot prey from miles away. Eagles build enormous nests called eyries, sometimes over 10 feet wide and used year after year. reindeer can change eye color from gold in summer to blue in winter to adapt to changing light levels. Reindeer are the only deer species in which both sexes grow antlers, though females are smaller. Reindeer make one of the longest land migrations of any mammal, up to 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers, annually. Parrots belong to the order Psittaciformes, which includes over 400 species like macaws, cockatoos, parakeets, and lovebirds. Parrots can mimic words and sounds, but they don't understand human language like we do, though some may associate words with meanings. Parrots have vibrant plumage, often red, green, yellow, or blue, which helps with camouflage in tropical forests. Parrots can mimic words and sounds, but they don't understand human language like we do. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Bears have excellent memory, problem-solving skills, and have been observed using tools in the wild. Bears help control prey populations and disperse seeds. For example, by eating berries and defecating in other areas, they help forests grow. Bears are found in North America, South America, Europe, and Asia. Polar bears live in the Arctic, while pandas are native to China. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Toucans can fly, but they prefer to hop from branch to branch. Their flight is short, bouncy, and not very graceful. Toucans are known for being intelligent, curious, and sometimes even playful, especially in captivity. Toucans are best known for their huge, colorful bills, which can be as long as half their body length. Hyenas belong to their own family, Hyenidae. They're more closely related to cats and mongooses than to dogs. Hyenas have incredibly strong jaws that can crush bones, helping them digest even the toughest parts of carcasses. Hyena cubs are born with open eyes and tiny teeth. They begin fighting for dominance from birth. Owls have fixed tubular eyes. They can't move them, but can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees. Owls have long legs hidden under feathers. What looks like their knees are actually ankles. Owls appear in mythology as symbols of wisdom, Greek Athena, or omens of death, Roman folklore. Some owls, like the burrowing owl, Pandas have a special pseudo-thumb, an enlarged wrist bone, to help them hold bamboo. Pandas are excellent climbers and can even swim. They communicate using scent marks, vocalizations, and body language. Pandas weigh between 70 to 160 kilograms, 155 to 350 pounds, and are about 1.2 to 1.9 meters, 4 to 6 feet long. Panda cubs are born blind and tiny. Platypuses are found only in eastern Australia and Tasmania, living in freshwater rivers and streams. The platypus is one of only 5 species of monotremes, egg-laying mammals. The others are echidnas. Male platypuses have venomous spurs on their hind legs that can deliver a painful sting to predators or rivals. Black swans are strong flyers and can travel hundreds of kilometers between water sources, especially during drought. Black swans usually form lifelong pair bonds and are highly devoted partners and parents. Black swans have been introduced to New Zealand, Europe, and parts of Asia for ornamental and park use. Black swans are strong flyers and can travel hundreds of kilometers between water sources. Donkeys are known for their intelligence and cautious nature. They will often pause and assess situations before acting, which sometimes is mistaken for stubbornness. Donkeys belong to the species Equus africanus asinus, a domesticated member of the horse family. Donkeys are famous for their bray, a loud, distinctive hee-haw sound used for communication, especially over long distances. Shoebills are found in Central and Eastern Africa, especially in swampy regions of countries like Uganda, South Sudan, Zambia, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Shoebills are very still and patient hunters, often standing motionless for hours before striking their prey. Ibis birds are known for their distinctive long, downward-curved beak, perfect for probing in mud and shallow water for food. Ibis are highly social and live in large flocks. They often fly in a V formation during migration to conserve energy. Ibis birds typically nest in colonies. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot to form dung middens. Rhinos have excellent hearing and sense of smell, but poor eyesight. They often rely on scent and sound more than sight. Rhinos are heavily poached for their horns, driven by illegal trade, especially for use in traditional medicine, despite no proven benefits. Rhinos mark their territory with dung and urine, often piling up dung in the same spot. Snakes have no legs but can move quickly and quietly using their muscles and scales. Some snakes lay eggs, while others give birth to live young. Snakes flick their tongues to taste the air and pick up scent particles, which helps them find prey. Snakes don't have eyelids. Instead, their eyes are covered by a clear scale called a spectacle. Lions primarily live in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands in Africa. A small population also exists in the Gir forest of India. Lions weigh around 150–250 kilograms, 330 to 550 pounds. Females are smaller, around 100 to 180 kilograms, 220 to 400 pounds. Lions are apex predators, but will scavenge if the opportunity arises. Males mark and defend their territory aggressively, often fighting rival males. That's when the Animal Avengers spring into action. With the farm animals lending their strength, the birds scouting from above, and the forest critters navigating hidden paths, they work together to solve problems and keep everyone safe.